So our swimmable koi pond video went viral recently and you guys had a lot of questions, so here we go. How do you keep it clean? These ponds rely heavily on natural filtration. You can see this is the wetland above the waterfall, and there's a few elements in here that help naturally keep the water clean, including some bioballs that basically allow for natural colonization of beneficial bacteria that help keep the water clean, as well as the rocks being able to get rid of sediment, and of course there's skimmers as well. Where do the fish go poop, and can I swim with the poop? And they poop in the water, just like any river or lake that you might swim in. They will be in there, but however, it's part of the natural system that will help feed the plants, and it'll also get filtered out by the wetlands above. Do wildlife eat the fish? Yes, we had a crane that ate a bunch of ours in this smaller pond. We ended up putting this hawk kite that flies over the pond, and we have not had a problem since. However, the swimmable ponds are a lot deeper, and they are designed with little nooks and crannies for the fish to hide. So in general, the swimmable ponds is not really an issue. How deep are swimmable koi ponds? Most of the ones that we've installed are about 5 to 5.5 feet deep. Off of this deck, off of the master, they can jump right in. Well, it looks like we're going to need a part 2. Let me know if you have any more questions in the comments below. And of course, make sure you're following. Thanks.